going on, y'all? Welcome to day 98 of programming every day. Today was day, I think, 24 of our operating system project. We finished interrupts yesterday in our timer, so today we can figure out computer input. So I did a little bit of, working off camera, I guess you could say, and I have my timer set up. I have everything set up. All right, so now we're moving on to keyboard. It's pretty cool. Hey guys, I'm tired. It's pretty late. It's like 1 o'clock. Let's see. What do we need next? Okay, now we need a keyboard. So we're gonna get that going real quick. Let me make this bigger too. Let me show you guys the operating system too. Okay, as you guys can see, we got GDT done, IDT done, and then our timer. We move them into our kernel. You see we got init GT, print GT, and then we set the screen color right here to, and you can set it to whatever you want. You can make it like 2, and I think this is green maybe? Yeah, it's green. That's pretty nice, doesn't it? Alright, anyways, we'll be working on keyboard, so source keyboard.h, and let's get started. So okay. So apparently, say I did this. Hello. I do print this in. This wouldn't be a void. This would be a char. Say I do a hello, and then I include, say, not std. What is it called? VGA. Dot C. Or not dot C, dot H. So now we can print stuff. So let's print hello. And then return A. And then let's put this in our kernel. Oh, we're already in there. Kernel.c, and we'll just put it here. So include keyboard.h, and then we'll just call, so char p equals, what did I name it? Hello. Make sure that's correct. Yeah. Okay. Oh, right, and I need to neovim kernel.c. Sorry guys, let me actually not kernel.c, shoot, keyboard.h. Let me just declare that before we make it, and this should print hello to the screen. Hello GDT. Okay. And it should cd source, and it should have an input, or it should carry the value of p. So we could try to print p. See how this goes. See, we have a problem here. It has to be a constant. But you see, that's where we have a problem, because we don't have our standard libraries. We can't, play around with strings. We gotta, import these libraries like standard library, etc. This is where we're having a problem. But I know that stores the value, so we don't have to, do that. So if I cd into source, go back into keyboard or kernel. Actually, let's just remove keyboard.h. Okay, now let's go into our kernel. And let's remove this hello function. So at least now we know, or we get that concept almost. I know I didn't really explain it to you guys, but so it's kind of what it is you see these functions here. Everything here doesn't have a library. All right, so what that technically means is I have to create my own standard libraries, and I have to print, like, see the print statement here. If I go, sorry guys. If I go into, sorry guys. All right, if I go into, say, VGA.c, and you could see here, we got a print statement, so we have to go switch case of our character. If it's that, then you new line, or if it's /r, then you column break, or then if it's /b, all these things. Or say here, and then at the end, for the default, we iterate through that, or we iterate it through with the while statement. But as you can see, we print it to the screen with a certain color. So that kind of stems from that. And I'll try to explain everything to you guys here. Actually, this will be a video of me explaining everything to you guys. So we'll start keyboard today, but I really just want to explain what I'm doing to you guys. So if we go into the boot, I'll kind of explain everything. So here we call to the kernel, and we call our main function, which is kmain, right here. Then we extern it so that we could call it, and then say we go into kernel.c. You see our kmain functions here, and this is the function that we'll call right as the kernel boots, which is grub. So you guys can see right here. Grub is stored in the ethos folder. cd into boot. Then we got grub. And this is our CFG. So in this file, this shows where our kernel is and where our boot is. Right. So then we exit out of this, and you see if we cd into build, these are all kind of our build variables. So you got boot.io, ethos.io, or ISO, gdt.o, gdts.o, idt.o, idts.o, and so on. So that's our build folder. Our linker script, this typically, like, the main things you guys get out of this, or the main things that I can say out of this is the address where our kernel is stored at. So it will move to that starting point, and then it just fills out the text and data, whatever. So then we gonna get into So you see with our GDT script right here, in this script right here, we technically turn the CPU into long mode, and see, it has all these different values. It would take too long to explain them all, but yeah, it's that part. And then if we NeoVim into IDT, this enables our interrupts so that we could use our keyboard or anything like that. And then the VGA is just video. So you see we use memory address 0xB80000. That is the address of the memory, and then we can write to that memory, you know, using C and whatever. But yeah, and then this one's very important. This creates all our variables. So you see we have an integer, an 8-bit integer, a 16-bit integer, 32-bit integer, and 64-bit integer. And we even have booleans too, so true, false, etc. Right? But yeah, that's really it of what's going on right now. I explained that the best I could, so you guys could kind of understand where we're kind of at. But right now we're at keyboards, so we're going to NeoVim into our util.h, and we're going to create a new function. This one's going to be a char, and it's going to be called import b, right, b, and it's going to be a uint 16, and this is going to be named port. Okay. All right. Now, if we open up our new keyboard.h, init key, declare the function void init keyboard, right? And this is init keyboard, the void. This one's going to be our keyboard, our handler. And it's going to have a struct, and it's going to be our interrupt registers. Register, and then regs. Right, just like that. Okay. Now if we go into keyboard.c, right, and then we create void init key, right? That's what I used. Yeah, init key. Oh, I was close. Init key. There we go. Okay. This. Okay. Okay. So that's that. And then we have our handler. You know, it kind of does that or whatever. But sooner or later, we'll have to do. We'll have to work better with memory management, of course, and stuff like that. But yeah, let's do this. And I'm only going for 30 minutes tonight because I mean it's pretty late. But yeah, IRQ install handler. And it's going to be 1, and then the address of our handler, right? And then we're going to declare void handler, put this in struct interrupt. Why did I make it such a long name and I spelled it wrong? Regs. Okay. Okay. So we're going to create a scan code equals, and this one's going to be our import B 0x, what's it, 60, because this is our keyboard interrupt. String address 0x7f 0x7x 0f. Jeez. Oh my gosh, guys. Okay, and then we're going to create a press equal to import. Jeez, guys, I can't type tonight. It's been a long day. Port B. Then this one's going to be another keyboard interrupt, and then we're going to do, that's going to be 0x, I think it's 00. I think. I think 0x80. We're going to include rvga.h. We're going to go back and leave it in a make file, create a totally new. We're going to do the keyboard.c and then keyboard.o, and then we're going to call build/keyboard.o. Oh, silly me. Keyboard.c. I forgot to include the live. Oh my gosh. Keyboard.h. Okay. So yeah, that's that. And then we make it. Implicit. Guys, it's been a long night. Include, and this one's gonna be idt.h, include util.h, right? What else are we missing? Oh. Because we're missing include stdint.h. Okay, wait. Handler handler regs, yeah, like this. Oh, did I spell it wrong? Oh my gosh, what's going on? Is this all in the same? No, it's only these. Interrupt register. These guys, what's going on? Okay. Okay, let's see where we went wrong. Declared inside. Okay, wait. Oh, spelled it wrong. Okay, those warnings make sense. This is where the problem is it's inside a keyboard handler. We'll also have to import our standard libraries, of course, because not standard libraries. Yeah, you guys do funny. We're missing standard libraries, so I'm gonna kind of get that going. Let's see. Standard C download. It's gonna load. Jeez. Okay. Okay. Where could I find it? Where could I find it? Oh my god, my computer's a jet engine right now. Can you guys hear that? Sorry guys, I didn't mean to, ear rape you guys. Assert. No, we need standard. STDIO. There we go. Where could I find this? Where could I find this? Where could I find functions by table? Location. Okay. Here we go. user/lib/libc. Okay, wait. User lib. libc. I'm looking for libc. Oh, that's not good. It could be found at user/lib/libc. I don't see it though. Oh, no, not Clang. Oh, let's just look. Let's just look for GCC. Include. That's not what we're looking for. How do I copy this standard library? Oh, user include. This one's telling me user include. You know what? I think I can find. Pretty sure. Wait, quick. Copy this. Thunder, let's go. Ethan, program, new op, source. Well, let's find standard library. CD. Let me just move this in here. Paste that. There we go. Okay. Now I think if we move him to keyboard .c, we include slash, I think it's, let me close all this out. We do printf, and then we hit it with scan code. This could be press /d /n. Okay, and then we put this in there too, and then we just put in there scan code, and then we just put our press in. And then keyboard.h, edit key. That. What is going on? What is going on, guys? Okay, wait. Conflicting types for handler have void struct. What? What? Let's make sure I'm spelling. See, that's my problem. See? Keyboard handler was not my problem. My problem was the interrupt registers. Not gonna make it. Source. Neovim util, not util, occur. See, not this. Kernel keyboard dot h. No, it's not keyboard dot h. Keyboard dot c. Then we have to add a s. Make it error passing argument 2 of IRQ and incompatible pointer type. Okay, so this is the problem, guys. All right. After this keyboard input, we could we'll create our kernel. No, we'll create a terminal. But right now, I'm a bit confused on these. Handler. Handler is the name. See, we got our handler, address of our handler, IRQ install handler. It should be handler. I don't get the problem here. I don't understand the problem, at least. Keyboard.h handler struct. Could this be our problem? I don't think so. That's not what I want. This might be. So this is tdlib, VGA, keyboard, util, ndt, and st. And so that's all good. What could be the problem? What can be the problem? Oh. Okay, we'll go for 5 more minutes, and then I'm seriously done because it is, as you guys can see, 2 to 1. Wait, that was looking crazy. It recorded my every move. They always take pictures. It's crazy. Okay, so what could our problem be? That could be the problem. I don't think we have tilde. Oh no, we did it. Import B. We already did this. We already did that. Now what could be the problem now? Keyboard.c. Oh. IRQ install handler. Let's just capitalize it. See if we have the same error. Keyboard.h is handler. Make it. Okay, let's see. So the only problem is this, structure here, which we're having problems, dealing with, because it's a void struct. Yeah, this should be correct. I mean, it's a function that has a structure as a parameter. I think it's because let's just name it key8 handler. Neo keyboard.c. We got key handler. All right. This has got to be key handler. But you see, this is a structure. Did I forget the pointer? No, I didn't forget the pointer. Did I spell it wrong? Enter registers X. I don't quite know what's going on. But I think that's where we'll leave it for today, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm so tired. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys. Have a great day. Have a great rest of your night. Love you guys. Bye-bye.